Let's play Redactle number 193 on Sunday, October 16th. Let's hope it's a little easier than yesterday's debacle. Two-word title 612, and in some area, a 612, also known as 8, 5, or 7-512, is a type of 10, 11, 12 for a 4-668. Is that a self? No, for a well, for a hard or soft. No, none of those. The 7-4 of 3-11-7, 8 is, and then nothing. Let me go look at the original Redactle. Yeah, it does the same thing. It just trails off. So I wonder if it's some special character or a formula. Could it be a sign or icon? No. The 7-4. No, don't know what that could be. The 9 is the 4 or 11 of the 12, and also 3, 6, and 4 is the 4 or 11. 5, the 9 being? No. Where? No. Which? We do have a lot of those. There, excuse me. Is not? No. How about 2? No. Off? No, off is not redacted. Oh, here again we have some missing information. The 8 of the 12 is something. A 6-8 with a 8-12 is able. No. To be. Let's do being. I've done being. Let's do doing, done. Okay, let's do have, has, had, and having. So let's do first and one. Let's do 2, once, only. Okay, none of those appear at the top, and is 6 a 6-7, and is considered as something. 10 and 3, 5, 4. Are not known. Is not redacted. Were, was not redacted. Will, a lot of wills. Let's see, under 410. I wonder if that's under something conditions. Yes. Under such. No, under something conditions. It's 6-4. The 7 of 4, 7, 12 of a 6-8 with 6-4 and something is 6. has the 6 of 7. And then an adverb, 9 letters. I really need to learn off my adverbs that start a sentence. Are something to be the 3 of 4, the end of, the way of, the top of. No, such as, I'm thinking something scientific, particularly because of those missing elements. Such as the 6, 7's something. Let's try B, C, X, E, G, I, Y, Z. Getting a lot of letters, so that's good, but just not there. And 8, 13, 11, which has a 8 of something divided by something, or that could be like meters per second. Oh, I did ask, yeah, not sure what that could be. Maybe, well, let's try some numbers. 1, oh, there we go. 2, okay. The 8 has a 4 of something, and a 8 and 8, 9 of 1. Specific, no. Relative, get the letters in the right order might be better. We do have some relatives. Constant, we have some constants. Let's try gravity. No. Density. Ooh, there we go. And it is 9 by 411, density 8. The density has 3, 4 at something missing, and 10, 6 at something and something. Let's try 0. We do have a lot of zeros. Let's try value. Anything to do with metal? No. How about an alchemical element? We do have 4 elements. Oh, and we have infinity for the 4 something equals infinity. A 6 element, and then that, is that the subset or something symbol, is said to be 6 if for any, let's do all, many, more, most, much, is said to be 6, a something element. Are we talking about sets then? Subset? No, let's look at our sets. Let's go up to the top and see if we hit any of those letters. Oh, density is up in the first paragraph. That's really all we hit at the beginning, I think. So yeah, let's look at those elements again. A 6 element of such 8, 6 element, maybe, can be. Let's do could, would, should and might and will. Oh, I did will. Go back to my elements. Where do they go? I know they're here somewhere. Oh, yeah, sorry, I jumped. There we go. Can be, to the something in italics is equal to the 8 of 4, 9 is equal to the something. I'm wondering if it's a Greek letter spelled out like mu, pi. No. 6-69 of 9, 10. Of 9, 10 is the 4, 4, 3. No. 9 and 11, 2 has. So a lot of missing characters. The something, the equation, no, formula, a lot of formulas. The difference between and, so again, something missing for 5, and then 1 in italics, apostrophe S. Okay, let me go and look at my values and rebuke those and say I have no values. The same value? No. With 8 value. If, again, something missing. So density is important. Matter. Mass. Oh, I'm surprised mass isn't there. Weight. 2 weights. In 7, the 9 of 7, 9. 4 to have a 6, 12. Something is 4, 4 to have a to have a 3-6, 12. After 10 on 4 divided by 6 or /6 with 8, 9. Do we have height? Width? No, there's no 5-letter word there. 4, 4. The 6 of 5 in italics, 10. And now here we have something in the 9 of 6 in italics. Also 5 under 4. Is this going to be something atomic? No, how about atom? Atoms? No, let's try physics in general. Only one physics. 7, 10 in physics are 11, 8, as was first demonstrated, is 12 letters, yes. By 5, 5, 7. Who is 5, 5, 7? Is there a descriptor in there, or is it all just one 3-part name? Examples of such 10 are 11 density 8 of a 6-5 in a 7. Is a vacuum going to be in there? No. At a specific, oh, temperature, of course, affects, doesn't it? No, maybe not. After 4 with something is 9 by a6 with something by a something density. When then, then the density at something, the density at 4 axis, no, is the something of G and the 6, 3, 11, 9. So that seems to be the only reference to physics. Let's try chemistry. No chemistry at all. Mathematics. Only one mathematics. Okay, 612, and I suppose the Encyclopedia of Mathematics. See also, there we have with at something. Which 4, the 612 as a 6. Ooh, yeah, I should look at some of these letters I hit. Z or Z-4. Let me go back down and do an alphabetical order. To an 8, A, comma, B. The 12 of the 8x10 relationship would fit, I think. It would, but it doesn't. The correspondence. And then what is an 8 that is a pair of values? Let's try some more B's. Just more A and B. And then here we go. A something formula can be defined. No, can be created. No, that's 6. Oh, it is 7. There we go. No, can be something for the sum of 2. Oh, there we go. The sum of 2, 6, 10. If X, Y, and Z are 7 of 6, 1, and A and B are 9, variables. We do have a lot of variables. How about integers, numbers, complex? With a complex, complex 6, 12 deals with the complex 6, 7, okay. A complex 6x, something to C, is said to be unique? No? Oh, let's try discrete. I know it doesn't fit there, but we sometimes get discrete. Discrete to something relation. Oh, I did relationship. I just did it. Discrete to many, multiple. No. 10 on multiple 10, 6 variables. 10 on the density something. Now let's do calculation and calculations. Calculate. Not many of each. For this something. Z subscript. Do not depend on. Let's do dependency. No. It's something on calculation. The 8 of 4, 6 is 4 is, well, I think I did when, yeah, is something, it's 6 on calculation of the something, something, something. And then our last, oh no, we went back around on calculation of the, and then calculate the 8 with 2, 6 of 9. Have I done its? No. For some value less than 1 over 2, 7, and then some other character by 1. Divided. No. And changes sign? No. Change. Oh, and change sign. Okay. I just miscounted. Is the 6, 9. Relative 5 relative 5 on the 5, 6 for the 3 and the 8, 8 as well is derived. No, only 7 is something via an exponential, is that right? Formula? No. Quadratic can be at most a quadratic something. The did I do product? No, there's. All right, I'm seeing a lot of mathematical things. Let's go back up to the top. And yet we have density in the first paragraph. And I thought density was part of physics. Let's try some other mathematical words. Binomial. We do have that. Dividend. Multiplier. Power. Inverse. A lot of inverses. Of the inverse 5, 8 can be something in terms of the inverse something. will something outside the 8 will lie outside the 8 in only some percent of cases. And let's do case. Let's do lies. And what's that? Something dash something 5. Lie outside the 8. Lie outside the boundary. No boundary. How about bounds? Upper, lower. A 7 upper limit. Now we do have limit there. Upper something for the 13.5 and the 7 limit 7. How about derivative? Have I done calculus itself? Calculus? Only a single calculus. And so differential, no, that's 12. A 8, I did binomial, how about polynomial? 5. Since something is a quadratic polynomial in something, only the first two 9 are something. 6, the 4, looks like something is missing, and the 8. I can tell this is going to be another beast. 0, 8 limit. In the limit when 5 to 0, when reset, no, when something to 0, when, how do they say that? You have the little arrow and going to 0. Oh, maybe it's when going. No, when something to 0, the 11 density 10, something to 0 at any blank, but 5 without limit if 5, it's 8 equal to 1. I wonder if statistics comes into this. 12 statistics, let's do statistically, no. Okay, let's look at our statistics. 613 are something in statistics and are often used. Let's do use, uses, and using. We hit on all of those. Often used in the 7 and 6, 8 to 9, 4-6 variables, 513 are not known. 510 is 6.3 to the 7 limit 7. Under, did I do some? Oh, no, I didn't. It's under some conditions. Did I do limits plural? Limiting, only one of those, which is, except for the 8, which is a limiting case. How about outlier? No. Use, one can use the something through the use of something else. The something behind the use of blank is for is did when. Yeah, and then... Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there with some missing words. We use? Oh, funny to see we is more commonly used. Oh, isn't there the inverse square law? We have 13 laws. One of the 4-9 uses, I'm sure I did most, yes. One of the something uses of the 8th law is to 5 the 913 of many 9-6 variables. Now let's go and look at the 8th law in the something, could it be in a space? Yes, but that doesn't really help us, I think. The 6th law. Yeah, I'm not really familiar with any mathematical laws. The only law 412 not governing is the 6th law of 6. Is it the 2nd law? No. Euclid? No. Newton? No. Let's try Leibniz. Nope. Turing. If you've watched my videos before, you know there are very few mathematicians that I know. Oh, here we have somebody. 8-5 was the first to 7. The 6-12 law. Was he the first to break it? No. 8-5. Boole. No, I think he was George anyway. Let's see if there's a George. Albert. Frank. Oh. Peter. Marie. No. Okay, let's go back to looking at our laws. Using 4-6 law as a something point? No. Is now known as the non-6 non-binary. Well, there is one binary. Binomial 6 variables, 10 with binary 8 variables. Doesn't really help me. Oh, here we have a quote from somebody. I can only speculate, estimate. No, there are 2 estimate. The 9 of the 6-5 has a very 8-10. It is 7-12, 2 in 7-13 for 4-6, and on 7 for its 9-10. We may, however, no, not however, use it as a first 13, 12 and 11, and then this quote is attributed to someone with 7 letters in some year. Who is that 7 letter? Let's try theorem. Oh, there we go, 13 theorems. Then the 13th theorem, named after, wow, 513, that's a long name. If the 14/8 of some 6, 8 is of the form something which is missing, where blank is a polynomial, then the 13th theorem, named after somebody, something 4 can be this, that. Can't believe I haven't done this and that already. With a 6, 6, and then 2 in parentheses of non-zero 9. Of this result, the consequence of this result is that the 612 is the only 12 with a 662. So that's the title of our article, right? 612. And, oh, so this is in statistics. Oh my goodness. I have not come back up. So then, yeah, the density is not the physics density. Okay, so I think we're going to have curve, right? Different types of curves. Bell. In statistics, a 612, also known as 8, 5, or 7, 5, 12, is a type of 10, 11, 12 for a 4, 6, 6, 8. Well, let's try words like function. Aha. We have a lot of functions. I'm going to try words like mean, median, average. Let's do means, medians, scatter, chart. When I was in college many years ago, I had to do a statistics course, and I really struggled with it. And one of my neighbors lent me a book called How to Pass Exams in Statistics, and it did exactly what it said on the cover, and I've since forgotten all my statistics. So I really have no idea what this could be. Many 7 and 7 can be derived 12 in 8 form when the 8 variables are 8, 11. Bell-shaped, such as the something, something. Oh, we're going to have distribution, right? And then maybe the plural. Oh, we're going to have normal. Aha, normal just. Oh! Yet again, I solve it without realizing I'm putting in the final word. Oh my goodness, well, I suppose I do know a little bit, but I'm sure you got that a lot quicker than I did. Let's see, it took me 203 words. Oh my goodness, 40 minutes, and looks like of the 171 total games so far, the mean guess count was just under 72. So I did a lot worse than everyone else. Oh, Gaussian, I should have thought of that. There we go, real valued random variable. I'm not going to bother looking through the article, but just very happy I did hit on the answer to that one with my little bit of knowledge about statistics. Hope you did better than I did. Thanks as always for watching, and have a great day.